Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Alan. Now Uncle Alan's been working on little gadgets like this for years. Originally this was a plate stand, but I added a few more components to it. And like I said, I have fun. And this is $1 million invention. Now a lot of people look at it like, so you're holding plates, Uncle Alan? No, stupid, Uncle Alan thinks ahead. Everybody has one of these, right? And usually it flops around or somebody brace something on and keeps falling down and you end up with a broken screen or something like that. Okay, Uncle Alan's invention. I tucked these away for one day to figure out stuff. So this is going to take a little bit of time because I have to unscrew it. Okay, prototype. And like that, like this. Crank it down to tighten. 3 pieces of wire, very easy to have a dropship company in China to make it. Okay, and then you put your phone either in charge or not, like that. I can't pull it up that much, but you get the gist. It'll hold it up either way. I wish I have a better camera. Put that down. A lot easier. Okay. Voila. Uses pi. Let me take off the charger cord. But it'll hold your phone like that. Okay, you could do either way you can narrow the length, but I like it this way because I like to see the full screen. And it holds your phone like that. And then you have a little charger port, whatever, and a microphone, whatever you need, and you can do all the stuff. Not rocket science, folks. And I'll catch you later. If you want to make $1 million, use this. Uncle Alan's freebie gift to the world. Make $1 million off a drop shipment. Cell phone or smartphone holder. Ta-da! Catch you later, folks.